welcome back. Well, we do have something to take you live to now with the 5 men that are charged with the murder of rapper Kiernan AKA Forbes are currently appearing at the Durban Magistrates Court. Let's listen into the current court proceedings.
One can lift the copy. That is the record which is appealed. Therefore, there's no question of having to get a transcribed record. I listened to the court asking counsel for Accused 1 and 5, how soon can you get the record? Trying to understand how long the process can take. There was a long answer, non-committal, to show what we have been indicating. That here's a process of one counsel representing the same accused in the same matter. You hold one interest on this side, hold another interest on the other side. I will leave it at that. I hear matter not being long. Your Worship, my A number, when I say my, I mean there's a state. It's on 400 and something. A 400 and something of the docket. 9 Ashlever files. Of which, when you draft an indictment, you have to indicate the witnesses in your list of witnesses. You have those people who might be asked to testify twice, because there was not enough patience to deal with those to be added. It's one thing when you say, I'm still looking for those suspects. Upon their arrest, they'll be added. Something different. One might, in this case, not give credence to the interest of justice insofar as convenience is concerned. For example, we have gone so far with our investigation that we even have a video footage at the airport that identifies one of the accused before court. That is to show how far we have gone with our investigations. Insofar as these 5 accused are concerned. But at the end of the day, practicality, Your Worship. Let's cast back, as Mr. Mlochwa have said. When we're going to your chambers, as this president, except for Mr. Ngoma, to arrange dates for the bail application, it was a hassle. Because of the nature of the work that we have before you. When is this matter going to be placed for trial with the present counsel involved? Having to adjourn the matter for the outcome of the appeal, see if the other 2 can be joined or not, then issue an indictment which involves everybody, then to draft the indictment, have it signed, served, copies disclosed. Right through 4 or 3 postponements. The accused are joined, and then the High Court matter must wait until finalization of whatever transpired in the district court. It would have assisted this court if there was some indication as to, in trying to help this court, this is what we intend to do in Swaziland. We are quoted what was said in the heads of argument, just to show a smoke to say, we just want to tell that it's not going to end now. Despite questions being directly asked. It is on record that certain matters were consolidated today. It is on record that the matter was marked final for investigations today. The court is saying, we have these 5 before you were final investigations. I'm hearing applications for the matter to be struck off roll. And the basis thereof is what? We are requesting an opportunity to have the indictment drafted with in mind a possibility of having the 2 being added. And for that purpose, request that the matter be postponed to at least in the middle of February next year. As to the expectation, Your Worship, to have the indictment served today, I think it was clear from the onset that this adjournment for today was not for that purpose. From my understanding, when you serve the indictment, you disclose the docket. That is how I understand the practicality in this court. That here are the copies, and here's the indictment. And may I also maybe stress something about the copies, Your Worship. It's standard procedure now. The Judge President has endorsed that it must be not now copies that are going to be made of hard copies. It must be scanned, emailed, and all of that. That is one process. Where I have 9 Ashliva files. But we will endeavor to have same done. It is for that purpose that we're requesting the postponement. For those things.
Right. When the matter served before me on the 8th of August 2024, having completed the bail application, the matter was adjourned until today for further investigation, particularly financial investigation and possible addition of outstanding accused. The time is now 3:25 in the afternoon. The matter was delayed because I was informed that the judgment on the extradition matter in Eswatini court was going to be delivered today, and it was indeed delivered. I allow the matter to stand down in order to accommodate the state in its application that it applies that the matter be postponed until today so as to add the outstanding accused. It's now a known fact, it is now a known fact that those accused are not coming through because their appeal was successful. So I cannot, at this point in time, entertain a further application for postponement for outstanding accused, because Mr. Mlochwa, who is also involved in that matter, has indicated that the matter is going on appeal, but even if that appeal is refused, the possibility of proceeding to the Supreme Court of Appeal is there, which is the right of the accused. No one can take that away from them. I respect that. So I can therefore not entertain any further application for postponement for the outstanding accused. It is so that it would be in the interest of justice and convenience that the accused who committed or who allegedly committed an offense together be tried together. But if that is not possible, hard luck. Moreover, on the last appearance, when the matter was postponed until today, the state placed on record that whether these accused are available or not, the state will be able to proceed with the case against the accused before court. So I am not going to entertain and I'm not going to grant an application for postponement for the outstanding accused. But to me, what has been said about the compilation of the indictment and copies of the docket and so on makes sense. Sitting with the bail application notes, I had about 4 ARC files with the bail application notes. So with the docket, which goes to up to A400, then it says that there has to be time to compile an indictment. So I am therefore inclined, and I'm granting the application for postponement to prepare the indictment and copies to the defense. I will ask you, gentlemen, to agree on the date as to when the matter can be postponed to for indictment and indictments only.
May I approach my...
Sit.
All right, we're going to come out of those live proceedings there at the AKA matter. They're sitting in the Durban Magistrates Court. And as you remember, the group of 5 there that are currently appearing or supposed to appear in court today were denied bail back in May. Namely, Lindokuhle Mkhwanazi, Lindani Ndimande, Siyanda Myeza, Mziwethemba Kwabeni, as well as Lindokuhle Ndimande. Those are the guys that are currently charged with the murder. Well, as we understand, the state is still preparing that indictment. As you heard there, that is what they're currently deliberating on.